here, naka-soapy water, or clear water, showing sweet. This time, we will have to start with proton 1, discard. Soapy sweet, clear water, proton 2, discard. Soapy sweet, then, retract. Lalo kung hindi ito yung bata, head. Circular motion, discard. Then the fourth cotton ball should be for the shock or body of the penny until he's in discard. Soapy, proton 1. Soapy, proton 2. Soapy, retract the head of the penny, then circular motion, then soapy, shock of the penny until the handle. Then card. Then do the same procedure for rinsing, provided that you change the water. Tapos na. That's the time papasok ang final rinsing. Ang final rinsing, kapag ang bata is 1 to 4 months, hindi siya pwedeng yupo. You have to bring the baby into football. Isang dati ko, kaya tumagal ng tumagal, hindi marunong mag-football. Pinagalitan na kasi. Arayin niya, yan. Pakatagal ka na siya siya, pag hindi marunong mag-football. Kinuhubin mo agad. Bata ko, hindi rifle. Okay? Pag 1 to 4 months, pag final rinsing, hindi siya pwedeng yupo. So you bring the baby into football. Okay? And then do final rinsing. Paano yun? Pero